Myself and Andy Julian started Mediashore back in 2001. We started first and foremost in St John's Lane, and 5 years down the line we was approached by an large American company called ABC Imaging, and decided that to grow our business into what we want it to be in the long-term future, it was the best move to become part of the ABC Imaging Group. 3 further years down the line, partnering with ABC, we've moved into this new big supercentre that we'd like to think in Britain Street. Probably has one of the largest print setup in the whole of London. I've not come across one bigger. We're successful in architecture, banking and legal. I would say they're our main 3 core businesses. The customers come to ABC because they know that we've got the equipment to deliver the job when they want it. The facilities we have downstairs, we've got a 10,000 square foot print room, which enables us to have a large choice of equipment. We're the only print shop that we know of in Europe with 3 colourways with the online folders and finishing equipment.
We have 2 Canon ImagePress C7010 VPS devices. We also have software that's running those and controlling them is the Prisma Sync, which is a new addition to our graphics. We're standing in what we call is our flight deck. This is what we call this. This is where we've got the Prisma software. Prior to this, it was downstairs as and when emails came into the building. But the benefits behind this now is that when the emails and FTPs land, we can pull the file into Prisma Access. From there we create the job ticket and pre-flight the document. Once all the checks are done through the pre-flight and we know that the file is correct, we pull that into Prisma Prepare, where we do all the edits and set the job up as required, and then it's sent downstairs for print. The advantages for us now having the Prisma Sync attached to the Canon ImagePress is that now that the guys upstairs in pre-flight, they're setting all the jobs up, pre-checking them prior to them coming down to print. So now all the operator has to do now is just literally press print, look at the machine, load the paper, and away you go. Productivity has increased tenfold. Prior to bringing the ImagePress Canon machines into our environment, we sent quite a bit of work out to digital houses to give us that LIFO type quality. But now, by bringing these devices in, it's reduced our output to third-party companies dramatically. So a lot of the work we do now, or all the work we do now, is on our presses, and the clients like the quality. Since we brought these devices in, the actual machine uptime is maximum. By using the software, combined with the ImagePress and the VarioPrint 6000, we can now split and merge jobs. And what I mean by that is, if there's a colour and black and white job, we can run the colour through the ImagePress, transfer that back into the VarioPrint 6000, run the black and white, and it collates the colour into the job, increasing productivity.
The Prisma workflows enabled us to increase our output by anything up to 50%. Our costs over the last 12 months have been reduced by, I would say, 30%. So you put the 2 together and it's one successful business.
Our mission statement clearly states to impress every client every time. And although we know this is a big statement to make, it's a goal that we want to strive towards. And we feel that we're moving closer with the portfolio of machinery and software that we have in place now and the improvements that we're making. The combination with us and OSE working together, we feel that we can get closer to achieving this goal.
I see the ABC business in the future going forward to be very successful, and along with OSE, the 2 of us the sky's the limit.